For question 2, we declare all the variables using double word. R val is unknown, X val is 26 in decimal, and Y val is 30 in decimal, and Z val is 40 in decimal. Now I start debugging. First, we need to start over, and we call the register to C, and start over again, and this time is move the X val into EAX. And we can see that the memory of EAX is temporary, is used to store the value of X val. After execute this line, the EAX hold the value 1A, and this line turn the EAX into negative. After execute this line, the EAX become negative. And this line move the Y val into EBX, and the memory of EBX temporarily used to store the value of Y val. After execute this line, the EBX hold the value 1E. And this line subtract the Z val from EBX, and the memory of ECX is temporarily used to store the value of Z val. After execute this line, the EBX subtract the Z val and become negative. In this line, add the EBX to EAX. After execute this line, the EAX become FFFFDC, and this line increase the EAX by 1. After execute this line, the EAX plus 1. And this line move the EAX into R val. And we can't see the result of R1 R val because R val is not the register. And finish the debug. In question 4, we declare all the variables in word. First, var1 is 40 in decimal, var2 is 10 in decimal, and var4 is unknown. Now, I start debugging with start over. Okay, we open the register and start over again. The first instruction is move the var1 into AX. And after execute this line, the AX become 28, 0028. And this line, move the 5 into BX. After execute this line, the BX become 0005. And this line, multiply the AX with BX. After execute this line, the AX become C8 in hexadecimal. And this line, move the val2 into BX. After execute this line, the BX become 000A. And this line, subtract 3 from BX. After execute this line, the BX become 0007. And this line, divide the AX by BX. After execute this line, the AX become 1C, and the remainder store into DX 0004. And this line move the AX into var4. And also, this var4 is variable, not the register, so we cannot see the change. And that's all for question 4. For question 6, we didn't declare any variable because we use immediate addressing. First, step over to debug, and step over again. The first line is move 0 into dx, and after execute this line, the dx become all 0. And the second line is move 803 into ax, and after execute this line, the ax become 0803. And the third in hexadecimal into the BL. After execute this line, the BL become 10. And the fourth line is divide the AX by BL, and then store the quotient into AL and remainder into AH. And after execute this line, the AX become 0380, and the AH is 03, the remainder, and the AL is 80. And that's all for this question.